So in the next step, we're not going to use it. And also the foundation is, I think way too big. But this is all the standards that Revit has. And for next step, what we're going to do is we're going to create the wall and floors. But to start from fresh, please close this button, close everything. Okay, don't save at all. Close. Okay, and go to the Revit files folder. Click at the data foundation. Okay, this will open. This view will open. So now, usually in the design stage, in order to generate the walls, doors, windows, we leave the structure at the